After years of planning and construction, the St. Lucie Shores Water Quality Project is finally complete. The project includes this deep water lake behind me, an STA on the other side of a wetland, and over a mile of piping, all to make sure water coming from this neighborhood is clean when it hits the St. Lucie.
The water then comes from the 60-inch pipe from that structure right there into this lake.
Martin County Ecosystem Restoration Project Manager Greg Nolte takes neighbors on a tour of the new St. Lucie Shores Water Quality Project.
In 2014, we started permitting.
Completed in December of 2017, the project site sits on 36 acres of land in the watershed basin near Map Road and Martin Highway in Palm City.
Through about 10 years of South Florida Water Management District monitoring, the district labeled this as, or they ranked it as the most pollutant tributary to the St. Lucie River.
After it rains, water eventually drains to the river. Along the way, it picks up unfavorable nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which in large quantities are bad for the river and ecosystem. If water can be trapped and held, many of those nutrients will settle out and not reach our waterways.
The primary purpose is a water quality project that captures and conveys stormwater from about a 268-acre residential neighborhood.
Through a combination of newly placed or improved canals, weirs, and piping, rainwater from the neighborhood now flows into a deep water lake where sediment begins to filter out.
From there, it goes into an STA, or a stormwater treatment area, in the back, where it also gets additional water quality treatment before it's discharged to the river.
It takes about 54 days for the water to travel through the various plants that soak up the nutrients, which creates cleaner water leaving the basin.
It's not going to solve the river's problems, but in part it will help the system.
People in Florida care about water quality. They care about the big water bodies that all these drainage features go to. And getting them retrofitted in this manner with a beautiful park like this is what needs to happen, and it's happening here.